Today we are going to start evaluation of definite integral by substitution. In substitution method, we use some substitution for the given functions to make it integrable. For that, let us take some examples. Evaluate integration from 0 to 1 cos of log x divided by x into dx. Now we have to integrate this. For that, let I is equals to integration from 0 to 1 cos of log x divided by x into dx. This is equals to, now using here substitution, put log of x is equals to t. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x, that is 1 by x into dx is equals to dt. Now we are using here variable t in place of x, therefore limits will also change. Now here limits 0 to 1 are for variable x. Now we use when x is equals to 0. Suppose log of x, that is log of 0, then t is equals to infinity. And when x is equals to 1, then log of 1 is 0. Therefore, I becomes integration from infinity to 0 cos t. Now dx by x, for this we can write dt. Now this is equals to integration of cos t is sin t. This is equals to, and limits are infinity to 0. Therefore this is nothing but upper limit is sin 0 minus sin infinity. So this is equals to sin 0, it is 0, and sorry, their limits are for this 1 to 3. That's why we are coming there infinity to 0. Now when x is equals to 1, that is t is equals to log of 1 is equals to 0, and when x is equals to 3, t is equals to log of 3. Therefore these limits will become 0 to log 3, and therefore we can take this sine of log 3 minus sine of 0, and therefore this is nothing but sine of log 3. This is the final answer. Here limits are 1 to 3, therefore we have taken here x is equals to 0, log of 0, that is log of 1, sorry. Now let us take second example. evaluate integration from 0 to pi by 2 sin x upon 1 plus cos square x into dx. Let I is equals to this. Now this is equals to, now in numerator there is sin x, in denominator 1 plus cos square x. Now we have to convert into different integrable form. For that, put here cos x is equals to t. Now differentiating this, derivative of cos x is minus sin x dx is equals to dt, and therefore sin x dx is equals to minus dt. Now limits will definitely change when x is equals to 0, that is t is equals to cos of x, that is cos 0 is equals to 1. Now when x is equals to pi by 2, that is t is equals to cos pi by 2, it is nothing but value of cos pi by 2 is 0, therefore limit will change 0 to pi by 2 to 1 to 0, therefore I becomes integration from 1 to 0. For this sin x dx we can substitute minus dt divided by 1 plus cos square x, value of cos x is t, therefore 1 plus cos square x becomes 1 plus t square. This is equals to, now this minus can be taken out of the integral, 1 to 0 dt upon t square plus 1, or we can write this also, that is changing limits, that is 1 to 0, 0 to 1, therefore minus will become plus dt upon t square plus 1. We can write here property, that is integration from a to b f of x is equals to minus integration from b to a f of x dx. Therefore I becomes integration of this tan inverse t, limits are 0 to 1, this is equals to tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse 0. Now value of tan inverse 1 is pi by 4 and value of tan inverse 0 is 0, therefore this is nothing but pi by 4, therefore I is equals to, we get pi by 4. This is the final answer of this example. Now again take next example. Evaluate integration from 0 to 1 under root of one minus x divided by 1 plus x dx. Now there is, let I is equals to this, their function is under root 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. In this function put x is equals to cos theta, therefore dx is equals to differentiating cos theta with respect to theta minus sin theta into d theta. Now limit will change when x is equals to 0, that is theta is equals to cos inverse x, that is cos inverse 0 is equals to pi by 2. When x is equals to 1, theta is equals to cos inverse 1, that is 0. Therefore, I becomes integration from pi by 2 to 0 under root of 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta into minus sin theta d theta. This is equals to minus pi by 2 to 0. This 1 minus cos theta, using here half angle formula, this will become 2 sin square theta by 2 divided by 1 plus cos theta is a 2 cos square theta by 2 into sin theta. For sin theta we can write 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Now here we have used 1 minus, since 1 minus cos theta is equals to 2 sin square theta by 2, 1 plus cos theta is equals to 2 cos square theta by 2, and sin theta is equals to 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. We have these three formulas here. Now this will become I is equals to integration from 0 to pi by 2, this minus sign. Now this 2 and 2 gets cancelled, sin square by cos square, or you can, that is square and square root gets cancelled, that is sin theta by 2 divided by cos theta by 2 into this taking 2 this out of the integral, sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2 d theta. This cos theta by 2 gets cancelled, and that is minus 2 0 to pi by 2 sin theta by 2 into sin theta by 2, it is a sin square theta by 2 into d theta, or we can rewrite this minus 0 to pi by 2 2 sin square theta by 2 d theta. This 2 sin square theta by 2, again we can write 1 minus cos theta, and that is, this is equals to minus of integration 1 minus cos theta into d theta. Limits are 0 to pi by 2. Sorry. Pi by 2 to 0. Here taking minus plus, this will, limit will change, minus pi by 2 to 0 to pi by 2. Okay. This is equals to integration of d theta, it is theta. Integration of cos theta is minus sin theta, and limits are 0 to pi by 2. This is equals to pi by 2 minus sin pi by 2 minus lower limit 0 minus sin 0, that is pi by 2 minus 1, this is nothing but 0, and therefore I is equals to pi by 2 minus 1. This is the answer. In this way, we have used here substitution, x is equals to cos theta, and we get this. Here also we use these three formulas: 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta, sin theta. That is, we call this half angle formula, and we got this answer. Again, take next example. evaluate integration from 0 to pi by 4 sec raised to 4x dx. Let I is equals to integration from 0 to pi by 4 sec raised to 4x dx. This is equals to integration from 0 to pi by 4 as it is. Now this sec raised to 4x can be rewritten as sec square x into sec square x. We are splitting this sec raised to 4x into sec square x into sec square x. Now this is equals to 0 to pi by 4. For this sec square x, we substitute 1 plus tan square x. That is 1 plus tan square x into sec square x dx. Now substitute here tan x is equals to t. तर सबस्टिट्यूशन काय ठेवायचं tan x साठी t. याला डिफरन्शिएट केलं तर tan x चं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह sec square x dx इज इक्वल्स टू dt. जसं आपण आता x ऐवजी t हे व्हेरिएबल घेत आहोत तर साहजिकच हे लिमिट्स x साठी आहेत. आता आपल्या t साठी लिमिट चेंज होतील म्हणून व्हेन x इज इक्वल्स टू 0, x ची व्हॅल्यू 0 जर ठेवली तर tan ऑफ 0 इज 0, देअरफॉर t बिकम्स 0 and x is equals to upper limit आहे pi by 4. Substituting here x is equals to pi by 4, tan pi by 4 is 1, therefore t is equals to 1. This is equals to, now I is equals to integration from 0 to pi by 4 सुरुवातीचे इंटिग्रेशनचे लिमिट आहेत. आता मात्र चेंज झाले 0 to pi by 4 0 to 1, therefore taking here 0 to 1, 1 plus tan square x. Now this will become 1 plus value of tan x is t, therefore t square into sec square x dx साठी आपण dt ठेवूया is equals to, this is equals to, now integrating this, that is integration of 1 is, that is 1 into dt, it is t plus integration of t square dt is t cube by 3, 0 to 1. Now substituting these limits, therefore I is equals to upper limit value of t is 1 plus 1 cube by 3, taking lower limit value of t is equals to 0 minus 0 cube by 3, and that is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 3 minus 0 minus 0. This is nothing but 3 plus 1, that is 4 by 3. This is I. Okay. Now take down next example. Evaluate integration from 0 to 1, tan inverse x upon 1 plus x square dx. Let I is equals to this. This is equals to or put tan inverse x is equals to t. Therefore, derivative of this 1 by 1 plus x square into dx is equals to dt. Now limits are when x is equals to 0, t is equals to tan inverse 0, it is 0, tan inverse 0 ची value 0. Now when x is equals to 1, t is equals to tan inverse 1, it is nothing but tan inverse 1 is pi by 4, that is tan pi by 4 is 1. Therefore I becomes integration from 0 to pi by 4. For this tan inverse x, we put t, and dx by 1 plus x square is into dt. Therefore this is nothing but integration of t dt. It is t square by 2, 0 to pi by 4. Therefore I is equals to, taking 1 by 2 out of the bracket, that is a t square 0 to pi by 4. Substituting limit 1 by 2. Now put upper limit pi by 4 in place of t, that is pi by 4 bracket square minus 0 square, that is 1 by 2, that is square of this pi square upon 4 square is 16, that is 0. Now pi square, that is 16 to the 32, and hence I is equals to pi square by 32. In this way, in this section, we can use different substitutions and obtain the integration of given function. Again, take one more example. Evaluate integration from 0 to pi by 2 sin 2x upon 4 minus sin square x dx. Again, let I is equals to this is equals to, put sin x is equals to t, put sin x is equals to t, therefore cos x dx is equals to dt. Now this I becomes, or when x is equals to 0, t is equals to sin 0 means 0, and when x is equals to pi by 2, t is equals to sin pi by 2, that is 1. Value of sin pi by 2 is 1. Therefore I becomes integration from 0 to pi by 2. ओल्ड लिमिट आहेत, आता न्यू लिमिट 0 to 1 होतील. Now this sin 2x, this can be written as integration 0 to pi by 2 to sin x into cos x dx upon this 4 minus sin x square. Therefore, this is nothing but 2t, this 2 sin x. Now cos x dx साठी dt upon 4 minus sin square x, that is a 2 square किंवा 4 minus sin square x, or sorry 4 minus t square. Now this is 2t dt upon 4 minus t square. Again put 4 minus t square is equals to t, sorry, or p. Therefore, 0 minus 2t dt is equals to dp. And this will become 2t dt is equals to minus dp. Again limits will change. When t is equals to 0, value of t is 0, p is equals to 4, and when t is equals to 1, p is equals to 4 minus 1 square is 3. Therefore, I becomes, that is integration from 4 to 3, value of 2 dt, it is minus dp divided by 4 minus t square, it is p, and this is becomes minus 4 to 3 dp upon p is equals to minus log p is equals to 4 to 3, and this is equals to minus of log 3 minus log 4. This is equals to, or this is nothing but log of 4 minus log of 3 by multiplying minus. This is nothing but log of 4 by 3, and this is our final answer. Since log of a minus log of b is equals to log of a by b.